In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics exam repeated questions under uncertainty principle and thermionic emissions. So guys, we are going to practice with 9 repeated questions for these subtopics in elementary modern physics. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, if change in x is the uncertainty in the measurement of the position of a particle along the x-axis and change in p subscript a is the uncertainty in the measurement of the linear momentum along the x-axis, then the uncertainty principle relation is given us. So we have these options. So guys, I want you to take notes of this particular question. The right expression for the uncertainty principle relation is this option C we have here, okay, where the change in x being the uncertainty in the measurement of the position of a particle along the x-axis is multiplying the change in p subscript s, which is the uncertainty in the measurement of the linear momentum along the x-axis is greater than or equals h. Okay, so the right option is this option C. Very important. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements is a correct consequence of the uncertainty principle? We have option A. It is possible to measure exactly both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. B. A particle's kinetic energy cannot be measured accurately at any time. C. The complete knowledge of the position of a particle implies the complete ignorance of its energy. D. The uncertainty in our knowledge of energy and the duration taken to measure it are each less than Planck's constant. So guys, the right option this question is option B, which is a particle's kinetic energy cannot be measured accurately at any time. Okay, so this statement in option B is a correct consequence of the uncertainty principle. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, if the threshold frequency for tungsten is this value measured in Hertz, what is its work function? So guys, for this kind of problem, basically to solve it, all you need to do is to multiply this value, the frequency of the tungsten, with the value of h we have here. So when you do the mass, basically when you punch on the JAMB calculator, 1.3 times 6.6 will give you 8.85. then law of indices, 10 to the power 15 times 10 to the power negative 34, so that's 15 minus 34 will give you minus 19. The right option will be option C, which will give you 8.58 times 10 to the power minus 19 joules. So that will be the work function. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Next repeated question will be this one. It says, if change in x, I think we have already answered this type of question. So the right option will be option C, the right expression. Take note of this particular question, guys. Okay, the next repeated question will be this one. It says, a process through which free electrons leave the surface of hot metals is known as. So this is simple. The right option will be option A, which is thermionic emission. Alright, next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about thermionic emission is not correct? Thermionic emission is a process in which electrons are emitted from a metal surface due to thermal energy of the metal. Thermionic emission is a quantum mechanical process. Thermionic emission is a type of photoelectric effect. No, this is wrong. Thermionic emission is used in vacuum tubes and electron guns. So right, the wrong one here that is not correct is option C. So option C is the right option in this question. This one is not correct. Thermionic emission is a type of photoelectric effect. Photoelectric emission, that's wrong. The next repeated question will be this one. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to the channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, thermionic emission is a process whereby option A, electrons leave a hot Electrons leave a hot element. X-rays are produced. Rays are produced. Holes are produced. The right option is option A. Electrons leave a hot element. Next subject question will be this one. It says when a metal is heated to a high temperature, electrons are emitted from its surface. This process is known as, so is obvious, thermionic emission. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says, according to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which of the following statements is true? Option A, the uncertainty in the position of a particle is inversely proportional to the uncertainty in its momentum. Option B, the uncertainty in the position of a particle is directly proportional to the uncertainty in its momentum. Option C, the uncertainty in the position of a particle is equal to the uncertainty in its momentum. Option D, it is impossible to know both the position and momentum of a particle with perfect accuracy. So guys, the right option in this question is option D, which is it is impossible to know both the position and momentum of a particle with perfect accuracy. That's the right option. So this basically I can deal with problems involving the uncertainty principle and thermionic emission for your JAMB physics. We practice with 9 repetitive questions for these subtopics. Hope you learned something interesting. Once more, let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be receiving special information of help to simplify your academic problem or work. Alright, so having known that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.